Hey there. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to delete individual searches from your YouTube search history on your Android device. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your Android device. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen to access your YouTube account settings. Step 3. Select Settings. From your account settings, select Settings to access your YouTube settings. Step 4. Tap History and Privacy. Scroll down to History and Privacy and tap on it to access your YouTube search history and watch history settings. Step 5. Tap Clear Search History to delete your entire search history. If you want to delete your entire search history, tap Clear Search History. Step 6. Tap Search. To delete individual searches, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Step 7. Tap and hold a suggested search result with the history icon next to it. Tap and hold a suggested search result with the history icon next to it. This will bring up a pop-up menu. Step 8. Tap Remove on the pop-up. Tap Remove on the pop-up to delete the individual search from your YouTube search history. And that's it. You've successfully deleted an individual search from your YouTube search history on your Android device. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your YouTube search history and keep your search activity private. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on your favorite apps and services. Thanks for watching.